Good morning students. Today we are going to start problem set number 10, that is based on the subtraction. In the last video we learned how we are going to add the numbers, numerical as well as word problem. So today we are going to start subtraction. Let's see. Here, while subtracting numbers, we subtract unit to unit, tens to tens, hundred to hundreds and so on. Means we are going to subtract unit digit at the unit place from the unit place only. The digit at the tens place only, and the digits on the hundred place only, and so on we have to carry forward. Let's start problem set number 10. Here we have subtract the following. The question number 1. We are starting from the unit. 3 and 7 we have. Now we are going to do the subtract 7 from 3. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? This 3 will take borrow 1 from the next number, that is at the place of tens, that is 9. So this 9 become 8 and this 3 become 13. Now 13 minus 7, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. Here also we have 2. We cannot subtract 5 from 2. The same thing will be happen over here. This 2 take 1 borrow from the next number. This 4 become 3 and 2 become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Now 3 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract 8 from the 3. So this 3 also borrow 1 from the next number. This 6 become 5 and this 3 become 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So this way we can do the subtraction. If the number that is below to the unit place is more than the number we have at the top, from that we want to subtract. So that number borrow 1 from the next number, and that should be placed at the second place of that number. That will become 13. 3 take 1 borrow from the 9, it will become 13, and 9 gives a number to 3, so itself be a 8. Come for the sum number 2. Can we subtract 9 from 8? No. So 8 take 1 from the 5, it will become 18, and 5 become 4. 18 minus 9, 9. Now the next one, 4 minus 6. No, it's not possible. It went to the next number. Here 0. Can 0 give 1 to the 4? No. So it went to the next number. This 7 becomes 6 and 0 become 10. Now this 10 become 9 and this 4 become 14. So 14 minus 6, 8. And 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. This way we can do the subtraction. Come for the next one. Here we have the 0. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So it borrow 1 from 4. 4 become 3 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2 we can 1. 5 minus 6, no. 5 borrow 1 from 1. So it will become 0 and it become 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 0, can we subtract 8 from 0? No. So it's not possible to subtract 8 from 0. So the same thing 0 also will do. Borrow 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6 and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Move for the next sum. Here 2 and 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. 2 borrow 1 number from this 3. 3 will become 2 and 2 become 12. 12 minus 7, 5. We can subtract 4 from 2. No. So 2 also borrow 1 from this next number, that is 4, will become 3 and this 2 become 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 3 minus 6, no. It went for the next number, 0. This 5 become 4, 0 become 10. Now this 10 become 9, then this 3 become 13. 13 minus 6, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 4, 0. So this way we can do the subtraction of the borrow. If we have the number at the unit place, that is insufficient to subtract the number at the town. So it will borrow one number from the next place number. If the next also not capable, the next went for the next number. So this way we can borrow one from the next number and we have to subtract this borrowing sums. Now the next problem said number 11. Here we have the number that we are going to arrange and subtract. So first count how much digit we have in the both number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means we have to draw 6 horizontal column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical. So this way, leave the two line and put the digits 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3. The next number start from this side unit place 6, 5, 2, 2, 8, 4. This is the sum of subtraction. Let's subtract it. We cannot subtract 6 from 3. It take 1 from here, it will become 0, and here we get 13. 13 minus 6, 7. This 0, can we subtract 5 from 0? No. This 0, borrow 1 from here, so it will become 4. It will become 4 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5. 5. Can we subtract this 2 from 4? Yes. 2. Now 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 8, not possible. So this borrow 1 from 8, so it will become 7 and it will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. This way we can arrange this given sum in this way and we can subtract it easily. The next sum. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So 7 vertical columns and 4 horizontal. Again leave one line. Start writing 1, 3, 1, 7, 5, 1, 9. The next number from unit place 3, 2, 4, 7, 0, 0, 1. Subtraction sign. Now do the subtraction. 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 2, it's not possible. It will become 4 and this will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. This way we can do the subtraction by arranging the numbers. Now the next number we have. Here we are going to do the arrange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whether we can do by this way to making the columns and boxes. Rather than that, we also need to have it to solve it directly. So let's solve one sum directly. 6, 8, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. The next number we have to start from the unit place. And we have to keep in our mind, we have to take care of that one digit is at the below the digit we have in the first number. So 3, 2, 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. This way we can arrange it. Now do the subtraction. Can we subtract this 3 from 1? The same thing? No. It will become 11. It will become 4, 10, then 9. As because 0 is not capable to give 1 to this one, so it borrow from 5. 5 become 4, this 0 become 10. Now this 10 gives 1 to this one, it will become 9 and this one become 11. 11 minus 3, how much? 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 8, is it possible? No. This 4 borrow 1 from this 4, it will become 3 and it will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. This 3 borrow 1 from here, it will become 2 and it will become 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Now this 2 borrow 1 from here, 8 becomes 7, 2 become 12, 12 minus 5, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 2, 4. This way directly also we can solve this sum of the subtraction. Now move for the next type of the sums. We have word problems. The clue words for the subtraction in word problems are here. If we are getting more than or less than or should be added or should be subtracted, difference between, how much, exceed, still needed, out of, etc. If we have the such kind of the sums in our word problem, so we come to know that is nothing else, we are going to do the subtraction of that sum. So let's see. Start the problem set number 12. The question number 1. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450 worth of laptop. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still need to be able to buy a laptop? He has the amount 22,975, but the cost price of the laptop is 27,450. So how much money still he needed to buy that laptop? Now it's confirmed we are going to solve the sum of the subtraction. So solution, the first one, the bigger number we are going to write the first, that is 27,450. That is laptop worth. The next number is given 22,975. 22,975. That is Prathamesh has this much of amount. Now do the subtraction. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. It's borrow 1 from 5, 4 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. This 4 borrow 1 from here. It will become 3. It will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. This 3 borrow 1 from 7. It will become 6 and it will become 13. 13 minus 9, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. Means we can say 4,475 amount rupees he still needed amount. So at the last we have to write the answer. What they are asking, what is the amount he still needed to buy a laptop? He still need rupees 4,475 to buy laptop. This way we can conclude our answer of the word problem. Sum number 2 is a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. So how many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So we are going to do the comparison. So let's start. Here we have the 44 and 43. Bigger number we have to write first. 44,730. That is the produced scooter in a certain year. So in certain year. The next number is 43,150. That is the in next year. Production of in the next year. Let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 3. We can subtract 5 from 3? No. It borrow 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 1,580. What is this? How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? This more production in previous year. So we have to write the answer also. That is 1580 scooters they produced in the previous year. 1580 more scooters they produce in the previous year. So this is our answer. We have to highlight it. Now come for the next sum. Third one. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? Means the number of women are more than number of men. So by how much number they exceed, we have to find it out. The bigger number 16, 52, 978. That is number of women. The next one 16,37,856 number of men. Do the subtraction. Yes. 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 8 1 2. Borrow 1 from 5 become 4. This 2 become 12. 12 minus 7 5. 4 minus 3 1. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. 15,122. Exceed. Women's exceed. So exceed number of women. Now answer the same form what they are asking. We are going to write 15,122 women exceed the number of men. This way we can write our answer, put it in a box. So this way, whenever we have the word problem, just underline the things what we are needed, the given numbers and the clue word. By that we can come to know whether we are going to do the addition or subtraction. The bigger number, if you have the subtraction, the bigger number will be the first. We are going to write the smaller number at the down, do the subtraction. Then at the last, in the what form they are asking the answer. Like in this sum, the number of women exceed the number of men. The same way we have to write 15,122 women exceed the number of men. This way we can conclude our answers. Now the homework for your today's video. So question number 1, subtract the following. Here you have the 3 subtraction. Just arrange it in a proper way and do the subtraction, and be careful regarding the start subtraction from the unit place. The question number 2, word problem is here. An organization decided to collect rupees 25 lakh for a certain project. They collected rupees 26,557,340 through donations and other kinds of aid. By how much? Means you have the subtraction. Did they exceed the target? So you should be subtract it and write the answer. Use the number 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Here you have to first make a subtraction problem, then solve the same problem. So you should take these two numbers and make a problem by yourself. So this way we can arrange the given number in the proper way and do the subtraction. If you are not able to subtract the number at the down from the number at the top, so we have to borrow 1 from the another number. So this way we can solve the subtraction. Thank you.